Hello everyone, welcome to our YouTube channel. In this video I'm gonna share you percentage trick that you probably don't know, right? So in this example we are finding the 7% of 203. By following these tips you can easily find the percentage of any number, right? So simply we will multiply 7 by 203, right? So sometimes 3 as 21 and sometimes 2 as 14, right? So when we multiply 7 by 203, the answer is 1421, right? We will divide 1421 by 100, right? And because we want to find the percentage, right? So to divide 1421 by 100, the answer will be 14.21, right? The 7% of 203 is equal to 14.21, right? So it is very easy to find the percentage of any number, just like 7% of 203 is equal to 14.21, right? So we can say that the 7% of 203 is equal to 14.21, right? So 7% of 203 is equal to 14.21, right? So there is another example in which we are finding the 6% of 107, right? So simply we will multiply 6 by 107, right? So 6 times 107 is equal to 6 times 7 is 48, right? And 6 times 1 is 6, right? So we will divide 648 by 100, right? So what is equal to 6.48, right? So we say that the 6% of 107 is equal to 6.48, right? This is the answer. Let's try another example. Just like 3% of 408, right? So again we will multiply 3 by 408, right? 3 times 8 is 24 and 3 times 4 is 12, right? So we will divide 1224 by 100, right? So it is equal to 12.24. So 3% of 408 is equal to 12.24, right? It is very easy to find the percentage of any number by using these tricks, right? Now here is another example in which we are finding the 9% of 260, right? So again simply multiply 9 by 260. 9 times 260 is 9 times 0 is 0 and 9 times 6 is 36, right? 6 carry 3 and 9 times 2 is 18 plus 3 is 21, right? And now we will divide 2160 by 100 because we are finding the percentage, right? So it is equal to 21.60, right? So we can say that the 9% of 260 is equal to 21.60, right? So by following these tips you can find the percentage of any number. In this example we are finding the 4% of 25, right? So multiply 4 with 25, right, which is equal to 100, and divide 100 by 100, right, which is equal to 1. So we can say that the 4% of 25 is equal to 1, or simply say that 25% of 4 is equal to 1, right? This is the final answer. So dear viewers, if you have liked the video, subscribe to our YouTube channel for more such interesting videos.